Alka bad artist, man, I don't know that, man. Alka bad artist, man. Him say come the man, I come the man. Braff for braff, man.
Me take a phone call, me take a one picture, but me can't take your fakeness. Nobody come round me, nobody try.
Naturally, if you're new here, subscribe to The Trendy Dancehall for your latest and newest dancehall and reggae entertainment news. So people, popular dancehall artist known as Teejay, the up top boss, is in a beef with Alkaline. Basically, as you can see, him and him used to go there, see me, so I don't know where that spring from, but as far as I see the comments and all of the news where circulate the internet, this is why.
The talk is still in about. I mean, it's easy if you do a show, then I show them say there is only one young lad and one up top boss. And if fun and joke aside, you're lost if it's not gully vendetta up top. You know what I mean? You're lost. You know, I said them youth there, no make no sense.
Yeah, people, so after hearing that clip, it kinda basically confirmed some things, is it? So as you can see still, Teejay basically used to rate vendetta, you see me, and the whole thing where did I go on the wall of movements and motion, you see me peeps. So don't get me wrong, you know, when you see him a behave so right now, just call it say yo, him feel resentness, you see me, because we are all human beings, check your level. And that with some of them artists, you know, you see me, nobody feel like sounding because you're a big bad artist and on a thing, hotter road. Nobody feel like you're a superhuman or something. A normal school the whole way used to go. Name a school where you go and tell me if somebody don't know it. The whole way are human being. So we have to have feelings, you see me, and different type of reactions. So at first, me did kinda I wonder if, like me just I wonder if him just did want to clash the dog for prove a point, you get me? But when me check the real level, a jealousy and them look at something there, you see me, people. Real life thing, cause you can't name up that boss and I carry them feelings. They for bigger than that, my G. And if you not go war it out, you know war it out. You don't know Alka already. You say already, but we're not so sure. We know Alkaline have up him sleeve already. You see me, and you for defend yourself. You see me, cause you're a good artist. We not go around your thing. You see me. But certain things can brush off. You see me. Cause me understand. Look on the check this people. He want to cool down the war. Reason being, cause him know say yo. In I pass, him and the dog did have certain good relations, probably, you see me, or certain things make him never want to take a clash to or extinct, you get me? So him kind of prevent certain things from early out, you see me? But I use the owner lane, my G. So just know the people, them want to know what is what. Like me say, you know, no superhuman, you know, stop going like you know some Iron Man or something. You see me, people? Him also, Teejay also texts Alkaline daily fan page about removing a video that was posted. I'm going to show a clip of that further down in the video. I'm going to show it right now, you see me.
He sound like a joke when me talk is still in about. I mean, it's easy if you do a show, then I show them say there is only one young lad and one up top boss. And if fun and joke aside, you're lost if it's not gully vendetta up top. You know what I mean? You're lost. You know, I said them youth there, no make no sense.
What them not a boss sense, you check the stats. Now kill a fly and every day I'm gonna strap them, I'm gonna chat with them, to know when them running the attack laps. Jam them on them, up them.
Oh boy. You see what I'm gonna talk about. Well anyways people. You see me, we don't expect better from Teejay still, you see me. But we don't know how it gonna end. Hopefully we are giving the benefit of the doubt in this, but as you can see him lose already before we even start, people are that man I like, you see me. Yeah. And if you ask me, him first, I follow up the money, you see me. Yeah man people. So me I go talk about that in our next video. But right now I just want to know make you know say certain clippings get leaked with the dog. Me I go play it again in at the end of the video. You see me, but differently still, me did I expect better from him. You should have gave him a one collab Alkaline, Jano star. You see me, that alone hurt up a dog, me feel. You see me, Jano star. One collab, I go make you one, if a war against the man. You don't know the outcome of that already. Jano. Guys, wanna leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video, you see me, and what take place. Otherwise, new videos coming daily, you see me.